Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to filter Wix table data using Dropdown in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our table. Now you see column city, temperature, name. So we are going to filter our Wix table data and we are going to filter using city. In city column you see London, Washington, Islamabad. Scroll up. So first we are going to add drop down. On left side you see add element, so click on it and then you see multiple option and then you see input, so click on it and then input you see selection and then you see drop down. So we are going to add drop down and we are going to filter data using drop down. Now you see drop down style. Now select any, drag and drop here like this. Now you see we added drop down. So our city name is London, Washington, Islamabad. So click on it and then you see many choice, so click on it. Now you see we have 4 choices. So we are going to add 3 choices, city name. Now remove. Now you see, so click on it and then click on edit label. Now London and then click on done. So we are going to add 2 more. Again click on it, edit label, Washington, done. And then you see again we are going to add edit label, Islamabad and then click on done. If you want to add more choice, it's up to you, but we have 3 cities in our table, London, Washington, Islamabad. Now click on go to setting. Now you see field title, if you want you can add it, placeholder text, select city. So we are going to filter data using city and then click on close. If you want to change styling, you see design, so click on it and then you see my drop down loading and then you see button customize design, so click on it. Now you see fill color, opacity, border, corner, shadow, text. So you can add styling according to requirement. Now fill color, so we added background color and also change icon color, drop down icon and then you see text, so click on it. Now you see placeholder color, now make it white and then you see drop down list, so click on it. Now you see color, now make it black and then you see custom design, font size, so you can do setting according to requirement. Now close and then you see multiple option again and then you see connect to CMS, so click on it. On right side you see use drop down to filter content, so click on it and then you see choose a data set. Now select. So this is our data set, weather update data set, so you can select your data set. Now select and then you see filter content by drop down. You see city name, so we are going to filter data by city. Now select city and then you see condition is and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, so this is our table. Now you see city, temperature, name, so we are going to filter table data using city. Now you see drop down, select city. Now you see Islamabad, now select. Only you see Islamabad record. Now select London. Now you see 3 London record. Now select Washington. Now you see 2 Washington record. So in this way you can filter your table data using drop down. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.